How to fix Snapchat camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can fix the camera for Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So in order to fix the camera for Snapchat, what you want to do is, first of all, make sure that your default camera app is actually functioning properly, because when there is an issue with your default camera or your hardware system itself, there's no way you could fix it only for Snapchat. So make sure that the camera is working just fine. But other than that, we're also going to run through some of the fixes, and that is that we'll just go ahead and open up settings. Once we open up settings, we'll go to the option called apps. Once you go to apps, simply look for Snapchat on the list of all these applications. So in my case, it's right over here. I would select Snapchat, and first thing we will do is go to storage, and we will clear the cache files, which is the temporary junk files which your phone doesn't really need, and then come back. Now, the reason camera could not be working on Snapchat is because it was lacking the camera access, and in order to allow the permissions for camera on Snapchat, just go to permissions. Once you go to permissions over here, select the option called camera, and over here you want to make sure that it is set to allowed. If you're set to don't allow, set it to allow, and that could be one of the reasons why it wasn't working. So now go ahead and verify if your camera is working just fine. But other than that, if you're talking about the blurry issues and so on, it could also be that your camera has some dust in the back of your phone. So just go ahead and clean them with a clean cloth which you have, or a clean cloth which I would really recommend to actually clean those camera stuffs out there. And hopefully this video helped you. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.